It's been an eventful quarter for McGraw Hill, from completing its IPO on the New York Stock Exchange in late July to releasing its first earnings report as a publicly traded company last week. And now it's getting ready for back to school season. Joining me now is Simon Allen, CEO of McGraw Hill. Simon, welcome back to the show. So nice to see you.
Ashley, thank you. It's lovely to see you again. It doesn't seem like a month ago, but it's great to see you.
Yes, wonderful. So glad you're here. So, Simon, last week, McGraw Hill released its first quarterly earnings since it went public. What's the takeaway for investors?
I think, Ashley, the takeaway is that we do what we're going to say we're going to do. We deliver and we execute very well. We performed in our Q1 at the very upper end of our expectations, of our guidance, which is always a good place to be. And if you think about the number 7, it resonates because we were 7% up with our digital revenue on the quarter, 7% up on reoccurring, and a little over 7% up in our adjusted EBITDA. So for us, it was a very, very good quarter. It's a small quarter of our year. It's our Q1 at McGraw Hill, but it went extremely well. It went as planned, and we're very, very happy.
Congratulations. And more exciting news from McGraw Hill, you recently launched a program called Emerge. Can you tell us more about that, Simon?
Yes, it's a great program, Ashley, that is designed for the K-5 grade level, and it's for literacy. It's for those students going on to study literacy, the ELA, English Language Arts program. And it is a terrific program that really is focused on the science of literacy. We've had a bunch of researchers and teachers help us develop this program. It is digitally enabled as well as, of course, available in print. And it allows us to focus on the phonemic awareness for students. In other words, how we know children actually learn, how we know they recognize letters, and how they recognize words and build up words through phonemes and phonemic awareness. And it really helps the teaching community understand when they use some of our digital tools alongside Emerge. It helps the teachers know how their students are doing. It gives them more time with their students to focus on exactly how they can help them get the skills. It's a great program.
Speaking of the digital tools that you just mentioned, McGraw Hill has made significant changes to its digital offerings in recent years. How do you see your investment in AI and other digital technologies shaping your company's strategy longer term?
You are right. We have invested over $2 billion in the last decade purely on our technology to make sure that we are robust in how we deliver our products. All of our courseware is delivered through platforms now. The vast majority of our business is digitally enabled. We see AI actually as a huge tailwind. It really is accelerating our business significantly. It allows us to propose new products and make sure that we're enabling the chance to look at that journey to personalized learning. It allows us to make sure that we can engage students. It's critical to think, if you think about 3 areas with AI specifically, the most important one is that we help relieve the burden, the administrative burden for teachers. That's a critical part of it. Secondly, and what that leads into, is enhancing more human interaction, that critical relationship with the student and the teacher to enable that student to learn effectively. And the third element is to make sure that personalized learning, that individualized learning that really engages students, is possible. We do all of those things incredibly effectively.
Simon, we have about 30 seconds left. Is there anything else that you'd like to add?
Just that when I think about the opportunity that we have, Ashley, for growth in our business, it is truly exciting to see the performance that we've had. And when I look at our higher education business up over 14% in Q1, our school education business continuing to outperform all of our competitors. And we really are set up with our technology investments for tremendous growth going forward. It's a very exciting time for McGraw Hill, now, of course, in the public markets.
Congratulations on all of the wonderful news. And thank you, Simon Allen, CEO of McGraw Hill.
Thank you, Ashley.